Number 8.
How to use Spread That. Hold Spread That to transfer heat from your palm. Hold perpendicular to the cold butter. Comb cold butter to see strands of spaghetti-like butter shoot straight up. No need to apply force. Let the spreader do the work when combing. Comb, comb, comb. Lay spreader as flat as you can to transfer more heat and spread away. Don't cut off large chunks. Easy to do, but that's really for cooking. Also good for splitting frozen bagels and ice cream cakes.
Number 7. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
The Imaku 8-inch chef knife is the essential kitchen knife, designed for professionals who include chefs, culinary experts, food caterers, as well as an ordinary person. The chef's knife is an indispensable all-purpose kitchen knife that can be used for chopping, mincing, slicing, and dicing. Due to the weight and the balance of the knife, it is wear-resistant, durable, rust, and stain-resistant. Ergonomic design offers a suitable cutting experience. Ultra-sharp edge makes your cutting more easily and smoothly. To make it more professional and minimize any fatigue, finger numbness or aches after holding it continuously for an extended time. The knife's handle is made from parka. This handle allows firm and more durable grade. It's known for its comfort, strength, and stability.
Number 2. Number 1.